Hi there, welcome back to another video. It's a morning yoga flow to start our day on a higher and a positive way. So let's get started. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. First, sit comfortably, drop your shoulder, place your hands over your knees or keep them in the belly. Try to keep your spine straight like water falling from it. Now take your hand to support your back of the head to move your neck to the sides. Do it very mindfully to keep a good, aware movement. Now use your hands to give a nice lateral stretch to your sideways. Practice from, of course, both the sides. Keep your sitting position active so that you stay grounded. Now interlock your fingers over your head and stretch them on the sides. Try to feel the stretch on your side like I shown here. And now of course change your side to practice it from both the sides. Now with inhale back to the center, release your hands to the ground and now roll your shoulders to clockwise 3 to 5 rounds and then anti-clockwise. Do it very mindfully. Now from here get into all your fours where knees and your hips are in a line and your shoulder and wrists are in a line. And from here we are going to practice Majriyasana, cat and cow pose. With inhale you look up, with exhale you round your spine and look at the navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine. Then inhale again. And exhale, curl your spine. Inhale. Exhale. Do it at least 5 rounds. Every time you inhale and exhale, you try to go a little deeper. And with exhale, bring your hands in front of your body and stretch it into a deep child pose. Give yourself 1 or 2 breaths over here. And now very mindfully extend your left foot to the side. Stretch it nicely. And now take your right hand, open up your shoulder to the side. And now from here, gradually drop your right shoulder and give a nice lateral stretch as well as a good hip stretch. Stretch completely. Try to hold the stance while having a good control over your inhalations as well as exhalations. And you can of course reach out to as high as you can and practice it one more time. Remember to keep your neck safe and be very mindful while extending your hand. And with inhale you come back and bring your knee bended back to the initial position. And from here extend your right hand and left foot in Vairagyasana, also called as tiger pose. Extend it very nicely, and with inhale you extend and with exhale you try to squeeze. And you try to stretch your leg to the sideways of the body where you feel a nice stretch on your oblique muscle as well as in hamstrings. On both sides and back to the center. And then with inhale you extend your right leg to the side like we did from the left side. With inhale, you again extend your left hand, and with exhale, you get into thread the needle pose while keeping the right leg extended. Stretch it nicely. You can keep your right hand on the floor or extend it in front of the body, whatever gives you more ease and comfort. Hold the stance and continue breathing very mindfully. And with inhale, you gently come back to the center. And now again this time you extend your Left hand and right leg at the back, and exhale, you squeeze. Inhale, you stretch, and exhale, you try to squeeze and bring it close to your body. Now with inhale, you take it to the left side of your body and hold the stance while giving a nice stretch to right side of your core muscles, and then you take it to the other side. Give a nice good stretch and back to the original position, and with inhale, you extend your left foot in tiger pose. Hold it there for 2 to 3 rounds of breath. Bring your knee back to the side of fire hydrant pose and bring it back to the center. Now again, you inhale, lift up, and you exhale, and again you breathe. And you bring it back to the side to fire hydrant and bring it back to the original position. You continue breathing and very mindfully extend your hands in front of the body in child pose. If possible, try to go a little deeper into the child pose by extending your hands very mindfully. Now from here, gently stand up on your halfway while bending your knees and practice ragdoll pose while keeping the knees bent to prevent any hamstring injury. Take your hands to the side. While you inhale, you come back, and with exhale, you take it to right to left. And now with exhale, you sit down in Malasana. Feel free to any prop to support your hips and practice Malasana very mindfully and continue breathing. Hold it for up to 5 rounds of breath and keep your shoulder and chest open throughout the practice. And once you feel ready, bring your hands down, lift it up to half Uttanasana and take your legs back, the left leg and the right leg in the front of the body to practice lizard pose. Hold the stance and now try to open to your side very mindfully. This is an intermediate to advanced pose for opening your upper body and side of the body while handling the core and hamstring and hips very nicely. Drop your left knee if you have to and practice very mindfully the pulses. Now bring the right foot back, exchange the leg, bringing the left foot next to the left palm and practice the lizard pose. Hold the position very mindfully and now switch your side and open to bringing the right hand on top of your head and bring a nice good twist while being in the lizard pose. Keep your core and shoulder very present in the movement, and again you can drop your right knee or keep practicing with a pulse in your knee while bringing down or forth. Now bring both the legs back, hold the plank pose. Hold it for a couple of rounds for as long as you are comfortable, and then drop your knee very mindfully and get into a child pose. Extend hands, release all the tension from the palm and wrist. Let your knee feel relaxed. Let your upper body, the chest, the chin, touch the ground. If possible, try to touch your forehead also over the yoga mat. Feel free to use any block right beneath your hips to get into a deeper Malasana. Continue breathing very mindfully and let yourself relax before you start your day. Take a mental note that how good this quick practice went and how ready you are to face your day. And take a mental note what did not go well in today's practice so that you can improve that tomorrow. Practice very mindfully. Breathe. And release all the tension and feel rejuvenated. And whenever you feel ready, sit upright. Keep your eyes closed if you haven't opened them yet. Take a moment to breathe over here and rub your palms, gather all the energy and tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to practice today. And whenever you feel ready, just open your eyes and look in between your palms very mindfully, and you're ready to start your day. If you have liked anything about the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. And until next time, bye bye.